Hello, Kevin. Heading to 92 Charter Oak Avenue. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
Alright, hey folks, welcome back. I am doing kind of like an evening sunset ride, although it's a cloudy day, so I don't know how much sunset we'll see. And today I'm going to dinner, but along the way there is kind of a dead end that I think might be interesting to try. And I'll put up a screenshot. Waymo will actually go all the way to the end of this, like several dead ends in this area. So just hoping to catch a multi-point turn like we've seen in Maya's videos in the past. Okay, that's interesting. I think the route flickered for a second. I was going to go forward for like a brief second.
Proceeding on Wisconsin Street.
So I also turned on the audio cues so I have better situational awareness if I'm like messing with my phone while the ride is going or anything like that.
Proceeding on 25th Street.
Okay. It's kind of an interesting turn, like pretty wide, and then having to come back in for the parked car.
Proceeding on Connecticut Street.
So no problems with any of the construction objects. I think we're going to run over that debris. No problem with any of the construction objects in this area. No brake taps along the construction barriers or anything like that. See if we can get a little right on red action here.
Waiting for intersection to clear. Proceeding on Cesar Chavez Street.
Okay, and we turn straight into the turn lane, which is good.
Proceeding on Evans Avenue.
Pretty good, 33 miles an hour, top speed here. Of course, nothing compared to what JJ has in Phoenix, but I'll take it.
Proceeding on Toland Street.
I think it's the fastest I've been in an autonomous vehicle. That block right there. Okay, we've got 2 pedestrians in the street. Let's see if we planning to go around. The Waymo depot is on the left, and you can see cars being charged and some cars with trunks open, things like that. I don't know if that's going to show up on the video, but oh, interesting. Doesn't want to do that 4-way stop. Instead wants to take this really janky road.
Proceeding on Southern Embarcadero Freeway, I-280 South.
Okay, that's pretty funny. I assume it's like using Google Maps. 280 South is here, but it's above us. We're in the underpass. So I assume that's like maybe some matching with Google Maps that doesn't account for the height. I think this street is called Selby, but not confident about that. Cursed 5-way stop.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
Okay, interesting, right?
When you're ready to be picked up, just use the app.
Okay,
if you exit, please take your belongings. We may swap cars during a stop.
Okay, that's kind of annoying. Might turn it off. Interesting little lane change. So this is the location of Cloud Kitchens, one of their locations. This is Travis Kalanick's company. I'm going to quickly update the trip.
Finding a spot to pull over.
And oftentimes there's like a lot of Uber drivers here.
Drop-off. Check the app for walking directions.
Lots of Uber drivers.
When you're ready to be picked up, just use the app. If you exit, please take your belongings. We may swap cars during a stop.
Gotta reverse. Yeah, there's always Uber drivers and DoorDash drivers and stuff coming in and out to pick up the food from the Cloud Kitchen, and doesn't look super chaotic today, but Maybe I'll have to come back. So pretty good multi-point turn. I just changed the destination to another dead end nearby. It's just one street over. Oh wow! Oh my god. That's pretty good gap shooting. A dead end.
Proceeding on Helena Street.
Okay, we got a... maybe I should have waited to change the destination. We got a hazard light.
Proceeding on Elmira Street.
There's also, like, this is a really steep street, so that's another challenge. Have to do another point in our multi-point turn. Well, it's a little bit punchy that time. It's kind of a weird nudge. Maybe, so the hazards are still on, maybe it's still in like multi-point turn mode. And now I'm hearing like a weird hissing sound. It's not coming from outside. Yeah, it doesn't, oh, it just went away. Huh, that was weird. And so it's like super punchy coming up.
Almost at your
and
drop-off.
now it's like creeping at 5 miles an hour.
Directions.
Okay, yeah.
When you're ready to be picked up, just use the app. If you exit, please take your belongings. We may swap cars during a stop.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the assistive audio. Hopefully that applies to this ride. Otherwise, we're going to hear that quite a few more times. Oh. Okay.
Slowed down for another vehicle.
That's probably reasonable. It's kind of hard to see people coming around this turn.
Finding a spot to pull over. You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting. To begin your ride, press the Start Ride button in your app.